to another video. So today I'm going to be working on my Halloween bundle. And y'all know when I do these, I kind of make them as I go. Before I click record, I try to get the desired color together, and I think I have it, what I'm going for. So I would say this is like a burgundy type color. I did two different colors, a dark purple and this burgundy, and I'm actually gonna go with this burgundy color. And of course I have to have a clear. And then I'm thinking about doing some type of glitter gloss for the third gloss. Basically I just took a red and a black to make this color. And then for this one I used a red and blue. So I may use this for a different gloss one day, but for today I'm gonna use this one. What I'm gonna start off by doing is getting the gloss ready. So I'm gonna start off with one big bowl of gloss, probably 8 ounces. I'm gonna split it up. Yeah, you know what, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put gloss into this one bowl and then add my oils and stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and split it into 2 other bowls. Then we'll have 3, and they'll all be even, and then we'll start creating these glosses together. All right, so we have the gloss and the oil, so now I'm gonna mix it in and then split it. I miss this so much, bro. I was literally just talking about this yesterday. Like I miss just making gloss. So I actually think I'm gonna make this one chocolate scented. So you guys know I always have to have a clear gloss in all of my bundles. So this one is gonna be clear. I'm gonna do bubblegum for the scent, and I'm actually gonna use these aliens and the ghost for this gloss. Just these 2 right here. So the third gloss is going to be more so, I would say, on the fun side. So I'm going to be adding 2 different glitters into it. This blue glitter and this purple glitter. What, bro? Look at my gloves. And it's going to be cherry tinted. And then I also think I'm going to be adding, I think I'm going to add the waves in as well for this gloss. That might be too much. No. No. I might have messed it up. I don't want it to be like blue. I want it to be like just glittery, you know? I might have put too much blue. I don't want it to be fully blue. No. No, I wasn't supposed to do that. I messed my vision up, man. The 3 glosses for our Halloween bundle this year. Now I'm gonna get out 3 tubes and fill them with you guys so you guys can see how they look. I'm gonna do these two instead. If you haven't checked out last year's Halloween bundle lip gloss type video, make sure you go check it out. We'll have it probably at the end of this video. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment. Comment a pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern emoji. Leave it in the comments, okay? Engagement helps. It really does. It pushes my videos out to more people. So definitely leave a comment. So I decided to add some skulls to this because it just looks so plain. So these are 3 glosses in the bundle. This is the first one. It is bubblegum scented. Here's the second one. A nice tinted gloss. The more that you apply, the more color will show. It is chocolate scented. And this is our fun glitter gloss. It is cherry scented. I also got to take some pictures and get this ready to be up on the site. By the time this video goes up, these glosses should be available. So if you are interested, click the link in the description box, sha'nayasbeautybar.com, and shop. This bundle is very limited. And these are the arm swatches. So this is the clear lip gloss. My absolute favorite. I love a good clear gloss. Super smooth, okay? I would say this is more on the tinted side. A very pretty, smooth moisturizing gloss. And this is the glitter gloss. Nice little glow, little shine, sparkle, whatever you want to call it. So those are, excuse my hair right there. Those are the lip swatches for these 3 glosses. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.